Today is 11th of September 2019. This is Chарын Canyon in Kazakhstan. It's about 250 kilometers from Almaty. Here is my group. Today are Chinese tourists, but they are mainly investors because they are opening some factories of leather, of producing leather from cows, horse skin. Here many tourists, there is a cafe and some Kazakh traditional yurts.